Why does your scanner show the P1335 engine code? What does it mean? P1335 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position sensor. This engine code indicates that the ECM detects an issue with the signal from the crankshaft position sensor, which is used to determine engine speed and piston position for proper fuel injection and ignition timing. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Crankshaft position sensor failure, wiring issues, sensor alignment, grounding issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Infiniti, Nissan, and Peugeot models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.